This is part of the hip sway series. It's a more advanced version. Okay. Just to recap, we have learned to do the hip sway with the legs wide, with the legs together. And now we are bringing the legs up in the tabletop position. So have your arms wide, bring one leg up, and then the other leg up. Swing your legs to one side, not too low. Maybe less than 45 degrees to start. And then bring your legs back to the middle. Same technique as the previous exercises. You are twisting from the base of the ribs right below your chest. Base of the ribs. So move your legs from here. And like I said, this is where the top part of your core muscles attached. Your rectus abdominis, your obliques, even your transverse abdominis, your deep core muscle. Okay, so you're swinging your legs from side to side, keeping your knees together. Right, so line them up together. Do not rub them. Yeah, they are not going to be one higher than the other. No, keep them lined up. Okay. Great exercise, one of the greatest exercises for the core muscles. Side to side. Keep the back of the shoulders and your arms heavy and grounded. Okay, all right.